Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you yet another simple yet very delicious recipe made with dry green chana. It's super simple to make and turns out very good. If you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Let's see how to make green chana recipe. Here I have taken about half a cup of dry green chana and I have let it sprout, so I soaked it overnight in water, tied it in cloth, and the third day I let it sprout, and that's how I got the sprouted green chana. Some basic veggies that we are going to need to make this green chana are the onions and the tomatoes. So here I am chopping onions into small pieces like these. I have used about 1.5 big onion, which is equivalent of pretty much the sprouted chana. So 1 cup of sprouted green chana and 1 cup of onions to go with it. Next I'm chopping some tomatoes for tangy flavor. So 2 small tomatoes also chopped into small pieces. Here all my veggies are ready to go. Let's get cooking. So in a pressure cooker add about 2 to 3 big tablespoons of oil. As it gets hot, add cumin seeds, some cardamom, 2 cloves, 1/4 teaspoon of hing, and add the chopped onions. Fry the onions on a medium to medium high flame for about 15 to 20 minutes and soon the onions will turn soft and pink like these. As they turn little golden like these, we are going to add 1 teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste. Fry the paste for about 1 or 2 minutes until all the raw flavors are cooked well. Next we'll start adding the masala. So half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 2 teaspoons of store-bought kanda lasun masala, and this masala is very readily available in all Indian markets. Now add the sprouted green chana and salt according to your taste. You can always adjust the seasoning after the chana is cooked as well. So I have added about 1.5 teaspoon. Mix everything really well. Cover and let it simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes on a medium-low flame. This is just to get the green chana and all the masalas kind of gelled well. Open it and now add the chopped tomatoes. Give it a good mix. Tomatoes to add little tangy flavor to the green chana recipe. As you mix it well, now add 1.5 cups of water. Since you are cooking it in a pressure cooker, you definitely need some water. Give it a good mix and now cover it with the lid. Pressure cook it for about 4 to 5 whistles on a medium flame. It will take about 10 to 15 minutes. Switch off the flame, let it kind of cool down, release all the pressure and now open. Give it a quick stir. Notice that the curry has kind of thinned down a bit. I'm also going to add half a cup of coconut milk and I just used the store-bought coconut powder and mixed it with half cup of water. You can always use fresh coconut milk as well. Lastly, let it simmer for another 5 to 7 minutes on a medium flame. Switch off the flame and garnish with some coriander leaves. Enjoy this delicious green chana recipe with some hot rice or even with some roti or bhakri. It tastes simply delicious. If you have enjoyed today's recipe, please don't forget to share your valuable feedback. Have a great day.